AI is rapidly advancing, and it's presenting you with two choices: evolve and adopt it or risk falling behind. Unless you've been living under a rock, you've likely heard the buzz about AI, both its potential and the skepticism it faces. This marks the beginning of a transformative era in technology. As AI increasingly integrates into our lives, understanding its trajectory is essential. Some believe AI could disrupt industries and economies, but the reality is nuanced and ripe with opportunities. To stay ahead and potentially unlock wealth without falling behind, there are three core concepts you need to understand. The first is the AI revolution, the second is its real-world impacts, and third is strategies to monetize AI effectively. If you're ready to evolve with AI, this video is for you. Be sure to stay until the very end as we'll introduce the best methods to unlock wealth with AI. If you are new to our channel, hello and welcome to Digital Hippie, where we explore the world of earning income online. The AI revolution. Historically, technological advancements like the steam engine and electricity have enhanced existing processes without altering their fundamental nature. The steam engine increased the efficiency of transportation and manufacturing, while electricity improved business operations and home lighting without changing their core functions. The telephone also revolutionized communication by making long-distance conversations instant, yet it didn't alter the basic ways we communicate. It simply widened access. However, AI is different because it has productized a distinctly human attribute: skill. AI technology first emerged as early as the 1940s, yet AI has only recently entered mainstream access, thanks to tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini that democratize its use, enabling anyone to leverage its capabilities for various purposes. While the capabilities of these tools are impressive, the aspect you need to keep in mind is AI's exponential growth rate, driven by its ability to learn autonomously. What does that even mean? Well, it means AI is designed to improve rapidly on its own over time, learning from experiences without human help. Today, the possibilities of AI are essentially limitless. The only real limitation is our own ability to ask the right questions. The governance of AI also comes into play as it presents critical challenges, balancing immense opportunities against potential risks. Prominent leaders have voiced concerns about AI's dangers, and its implications are only beginning to be understood. With a clearer picture of the AI revolution and its transformative role, let's explore its real-world applications. Real-world application. AI's impact in the real world varies across short-term and long-term effects. While it's unlikely to cause widespread disruption immediately, AI is reshaping job roles, leading to some displacement. This leaves the critical question of who will be replaced by AI. Well, contrary to initial expectations that AI would first automate physical labor, it has proven adept in creative fields much sooner. Last year, for instance, AI won an international fine arts competition. Moreover, AI companies are emerging to replicate the work of professionals like doctors and lawyers, and eventually they may succeed. Consider the possibility of an AI doctor who has access to patient records, case studies, and all the medical literature available versus a human doctor who graduated from med school decades ago and does not possess the same capacity for such comprehensive knowledge. It's also personalizing everyday interactions, from media consumption to advertising, enhancing how we engage with digital content. This technological advancement has accelerated the reduction of certain jobs, a trend that was already evident before the recent surge in AI, highlighted by last year's significant layoffs in the tech sectors. This shift towards AI means it's crucial to quickly adapt, similar to the rise of the internet and social media in the early 2000s. Instead of watching AI replace jobs, use it to enhance your skills and uncover new income opportunities. As traditional roles fade, AI introduces new prospects, offering a unique form of leverage that enhances efficiency without the need to hire and expand your team. This access to leverage is transforming how we all work and compete, highlighting the need for both business owners and employees to quickly capitalize these emerging opportunities and embrace the technology. Now that we understand how AI is changing the professional landscape, let's explore how you can implement AI and monetize these advancements. Implement and monetize AI. AI presents several opportunities to boost your earnings through a variety of applications. Allow us to illustrate 3 ways you can use AI to increase your earnings. The first approach involves using AI in agency operations, whether in digital marketing, advertising, or another field. AI can transform how you communicate by automating routine tasks like drafting emails, which frees up your time to focus on the core aspects of your business instead of getting bogged down in administrative duties. The potential of AI extends well beyond communication. For instance, if you manage an ads agency, tools like Jasper and Ad Creative AI can develop ad copy and visuals, allowing you to concentrate on testing and validation. Moreover, AI technology can automate the creation of SEO content, social media posts, emails, product photos, and other visuals, significantly reducing the time and labor required. Tasks that previously involved a team and several days can now be completed in just hours. While it might appear that AI could replace human jobs, the reality is more nuanced. There is still a crucial need for human oversight and input. Those affected by automation can transition to new roles, ensuring that the integration of AI into the workplace creates opportunities for all. The second way AI enhances our work involves content creators and copywriters. AI serves as a dynamic tool that provides a wealth of ideas and overcomes creative blocks. It lays the groundwork for your creative projects, enabling you to complete tasks more efficiently and handle a greater volume of clients. Forget about endless brainstorming. Now, you can select an idea and bring it to life effortlessly. AI is expanding the horizons of possibility. Historically, the greatest thinkers excelled by asking the right questions, and AI amplifies this ability, helping us find more profound answers. Its impact on the creative industries is significant, transforming how we approach content creation. Take Adobe's AI tools for photo editing, for instance. You can edit images simply by entering commands, and similar advancements in video technology are available through platforms like InVideo AI. These tools democratize complex creative skills, making them accessible to a broader audience. However, despite these advancements, not everyone utilizes these tools, often due to inertia or complacency. The third way AI can boost your income is especially valuable for consultants and coaches. Microsoft's Copilot AI enhances your workflow by transcribing notes, summarizing key points, creating presentations, and analyzing data in Excel, all within minutes. Additional tools like Mini Course Generator aid in creating digital products and courses, while Decktopic automates slide decks for sessions and webinars, allowing you to complete tasks that once took hours in much less time. This moment offers a unique opportunity to leverage the power of AI before it becomes used by the masses. AI tools are increasingly accessible, transforming professional practices. Now, you might be pondering, where do you fit into this ever-evolving equation? Well, building and sustaining relationships remains a fundamental aspect of business success. Despite technological advances, the core of effective business practices centers around strategic decision-making and relationship cultivation. AI supports these efforts by handling routine tasks, freeing you to focus on creativity, innovation, empathy, and personal connections. As AI automates the mundane, you're left with more time to leverage your unique qualities in a market ripe for innovation. This period marks a golden opportunity for those ready to embrace change. The decision to seize this chance rests with you. We now live in an era where the barriers to starting a business or side hustle are lower than ever. The most critical factor now is your level of commitment. Are you simply dreaming, or are you prepared to pursue your goals actively? This choice is yours. We're here to support your journey and have dedicated this channel to free resources and guidance into the world of earning income online through innovative business models and AI implementation. As you embark on this journey, remember that you have the power to leverage AI and your innate human qualities to create a future where your aspirations are not just dreams, but tangible realities. Your decision to embrace this opportunity is where the journey to success truly begins. If you're looking for additional ideas to profit during the AI revolution, don't miss our detailed guide on the top 9 ways to make money online with ChatGPT and AI. We'll be sure to link it at the end of this video so you can watch it next. Thanks for tuning in to another insightful video on achieving success and financial freedom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay updated with our content. This is Digital Hippie, inspiring you to work less, earn more, and live hippie.